we are starting 7.5 solving rational equations. In the first example, solve 3 over x plus 1 equals to 9 over 4x plus 5. We have to solve this. So what we can do, we can do cross multiplication. 3 multiply with 4x plus 5. 9 will multiply with x plus 1. So use distributive property and multiply inside. It's 12x 15 equals to 9x plus 9. So subtract 9x, you will get 3x plus 15 equals to 9. Subtract 50 on both sides. 9 minus 15 is negative 6. So 3x is negative 6, x is negative 2. Because we are provided with the rational equation, so we have to check back. Is the solution satisfies the original equation or not? Because sometimes we got the equation but not satisfies the original equation. Why so? Because we are solving for these equations. And rational equation has a problem where denominator is 0. Okay, so let's substitute here. 3 over minus 2 plus 1. It's minus 1. Left side is negative 3. Right side. 9 over 4 2s are minus 4 and minus 2. Minus 8 plus 5. It's negative 3. 3 3s are 9. So negative 3. So yeah. So x equals to negative 2 satisfy. This is the answer for this question. Next is an alloy is formed by mixing 2 or more metals. Sterling silver is an alloy composed of 92.5% silver and 7.5% copper by weight. You have 15 ounces of 800 grade silver, which is 80% silver and 20% copper by weight. How much pure silver should you mix with the 800 grade silver to make sterling silver? So here we will find the percentage of the copper first. Percentage of copper in mixture. What will be that? Weight of the copper. Weight of copper in mixture divides with total weight of mixture. Okay. Now, so it says 7.5% copper. So 7.5% is removed and I write 100 here. Weight of the copper. So it says 20% copper by weight. So 0.2, 15 ounces. So multiply by 15. Divide by the total. So 15 is this. I don't know what is the extra we should add. So just cross multiply now. 7.5 15 plus 6 is equals to 0.2 times 15, then multiply by 100. This will be 7.5x equals to, this multiply by 15, it will be in 112.5. 112.5 plus 7.5x equals to 300. From this, if I solve 7.5x equals to 187.5. X is equals to 25. So that means we have to mix 25 ounces of pure silver with the 15 ounces of 800 grade silver. Okay, so this question done. Next we have to solve the equation. What we can do? Take the common denominator on the left side. It is 4x. 5 fours are 20. And 7x equals to minus 9 over x. Cross multiply. 20 plus 7x times x equals to minus 9 times 4x. So divide by x on both sides. Or before dividing, we can shift everything to the left side and take x common. 20 plus 7x plus 9 fours are 36 equals to 0. X as it is, 7x 56 equals to 0. The product of the two terms 0. Either the first term 0 or the second term. So either x equals to 0 or 7x plus 56 equals to 0. 7x will be negative 56, x will be negative 8. So you have two answers, 0 and negative 8. But you can see if you put 0, this is not defined. So the point which is a solution but not satisfying the equation is known as an extraneous solution. X equals to 0 is extraneous. And you're left with only x equals to negative 8. You can check it will satisfy. Okay. For B part, what we can do, we can take the common denominator, x minus 5. So 1 will multiply with x minus 5 minus 8 equals to 3 over x. If we simplify, x minus 13 over x minus 5 equals to 3 over x. Cross multiply, x times x minus 13, 3 times x minus 5. Multiply x here minus 13x minus 3x. Because I shift left side, so this plus 3x become negative 3. Plus 15 equals to 0. If we simplify, x here minus 16x plus 15 equals to 0. What will be the factors? X minus 15, x minus 1. So your answer will be 15 or 1. So let's see that 1 satisfies or not, 15 satisfies or not. If I substitute 1, 1 minus 8, 1 minus 5 is negative 4, 3 over negative, 3 over 1. Negative, negative, positive, 4 2s are 8. So left side is 3, right side is 3. Alright, so 15 works. 1 works. Now check for 15. You can try 15 yourself, it will work. Okay? Next we have this question. Here we have to solve it. Again a rational equation is given. We are looking for its solution. So first we will find the least common divisor of the right side. Factorize it. This will be factored as a x minus 3x plus 3. 8x here minus 4x x plus 3. So what will be the common factor? Common factor will be x minus 3 x plus 3. This term already have these two term denominators, so no need to multiply anything here. Minus. But this second term has only one factor, so I need a second factor here also, so multiply with that. X minus 3. Because only x plus 3 is there. But common denominator is x plus 3, x minus 3. That x minus 3 is not here, so we multiply it and we divide it. When we multiply it, it is in the numerator. When we divide, it is in the common part. Left side as it is. Okay, then what we can do, x minus 3 is common left side and x minus 3 common on the right side, both sides in the denominator, so just cancel out. We're left with 6 equals to 8x cube minus 4x cube plus 12x over x plus 3. Now multiply x plus 3 on the left side. If you multiply, it will be 6 times x plus 3 equals to 4x cube plus 12x. 6x plus 18 is equals to 4x cube plus 12x. If we simplify, it will be 4x cube, 4x cube, 6x minus 18 equals to 0. On factorization, you can take 2 common, 2x minus 3 as a factor, x plus 3 as a factor here. So x 3 by 2 and minus 3 are the two values we are getting for the x. But you can see negative 3 will not work as this term is not defined for negative 3. So negative 3 is extraneous solution. Okay. Now x equals to 3 by 2. You can substitute here. If you substitute, you will find out 3 by 2 will work in this case. Okay? Next. Consider the function this, determine whether inverse of f is a function, then find inverse. Let's try to find the inverse of a function. Fx is equals to 2 over x plus 3. First thing is change fx into y. Second thing is replace x with y and y with x. Now multiply and looking for the x value. X is shifted here, but because we replace it, solve for y now. X times y plus 3 equals to 2. Y plus 3 equals to 2 over x. Y equals to 2 by x minus 3. This is the inverse of the given function. So first if you look at the graph, let's try to draw the graph of 2 over x plus 3. We learned that how to graph the rational function. Minus 3 is the asymptote, vertical asymptote is the minus 3, 0 is the horizontal asymptote, and then you substitute any value. On the right side you get a positive. On the left side of this you will get this downward values. Okay. This is y equals to 0 asymptote. This is x equals to negative 3 asymptote. How to check the function inverse exists or not? If you draw a horizontal line and horizontal line cuts the graph more than one time, then inverse not exist. But in our case, if we draw a horizontal line, it will cut the graph only one time. Therefore, this function has an inverse. Next question is, we have this example. C is equals to 50m plus 1000 over m, which represents the average cost of making M model using 3D printing. Find how many models must be printed for the average cost per model equal to $90. Solve an equation, and second is using the inverse of the function. So first we will solve by substituting 90 because it says average cost should be $90. So that means C is 90 now. 90 is equals to 50M plus 1000 over M. 90M is equals to 50M plus 1000. 85M is equals to, not 85, it's a 50. So 30 and 140. So 40M is equals to 1000. M is equals to 25. We got M value 25. Now look for the B part. Solving the equation using the inverse. Using the inverse mean we will convert this average cost function into M model. C equals to 50M plus 1000 over M. Try to solve for M. I can write 50 because M divided by M, only 50 left. 1000 over M. Subtract 50. 1000 over M. Reciprocal. M over 1000. M is equals to 1000 over C minus 50. So what is given? C is given as a 90. So substitute C 90. 1000 over 90 minus 50. You will directly get M. 1000 over 40, which is M, and you will get 25. We solve the same thing, but first by direct substitution, but in the second we use inverse function. We calculate the inverse and we get the total number of models. So total number of models is 25, so that the average cost fall to the $90. Okay, so we are done with 7.5. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.